What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can craft and equip Flairs in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, all I ask of you in return is just to subscribe. It's completely free, but it really helps out the channel. So let's get started. First off, let's cover how you can actually craft Flairs and what materials you need to have to craft them. So to craft Flairs, go over to your card collection right here. Once you're here, organize your collection by duplicates number. So I have it organized by duplicates, as you can see here. And then those cards that you have a lot of duplicates of will be the first in order. So let's say that I want to craft a Flair for this Pokemon right here. You will just click Obtain Flair right here. Once you click that, a little menu will load, which will tell you that you need 2 cards and 80 shine dust. So if you want to find out how to get more shine dust, I will leave that video in the upper right corner. And if you guys want, I can also make a video on how to get more duplicate cards. Also, you would need at least 4 cards, so 2 for crafting and 2 that will remain. So once you have 2 cards and 80 shine dust, simply click Exchange. Then you will get this window right here, confirming that from 4 cards you will go to 2, and if you're alright with this, just click OK. And here we go. And there we go, you crafted a Flair for this Pokemon card. So just click OK. And once you craft the first Flair, you will also get a tier 2 Flair unlocked for crafting. But keep in mind that there are different Flair types. So these first 2 are cosmetic Flairs, but these last 2 are battle Flairs. So you can equip battle Flairs, and then once you draw a card and place it onto the playing mat, you will get this Flair effect right here. So now once we crafted a Flair, you can view it right here. So just select your Flair, and there we go. So that's how you view a Flair, but now let's see how you can actually equip this Flair. So exit the screen. So there are a lot of videos that say that you equip a Flair by just going to your Pokemon and then clicking this button right here, which is not the case. The real way you can equip Flairs in Pokemon TCG Pocket is by going to decks or binders right here. So let's first go over onto the decks method. So click on your decks. Then for this purpose we can create a new deck. So once you're here, just go to the edit tab right here. And here I will just auto create a deck of the lighting type. And somewhere here there should be our Pokemon. And there it is. So we have 2 cards left, and if you take a closer look, you can see this little option that allows you to equip a Flair. So just click on that option, and here you can see all the Flairs that you own for this Pokemon card. So we previously crafted this new Flair, and to equip it, we will just click on this Flair and click Use. And now if you take a closer look, you can see that this card has a shiny effect on it. But if we try to equip this Flair on the second duplicate card, you can see that it is already reserved, because we equipped it on the first card. So from here to save it, just click OK, and then save. Now let's just check it over again. And there is our card right here, with a Flair equipped. Now let's move on to the second method. So I will go to the card collection again. And now we will go to binders right here. So for this purpose I will create a new binder. And let's call it just Flair. Now I will select a card for this binder. So here is our card, and you will just click Add. Now simply click Save, And once you saved it, go back to that binder and click Edit right here in the upper right corner. So when you equip Flairs, you always need to go through the Edit screen. So I will just click back on my card. And once you click on your card, you will again see this little Flair icon right here. So click on that icon. And the process from here is same as for the battle decks. So just click on the Flair that you want to equip and click Use. Once you've done that, you can actually change the binder settings, so you can set it to public, so everyone can see the Flair. And to save the equipped Flair, simply click Save. And there we go. So this is the binder that we created, and a Pokemon card with a Flair is visible right here. So those are the only two methods on how to equip a Flair in Pokemon TCG Pocket. And now let's just open up a few packs to see what we get. I will first open up this single pack and then I'll buy 10 more and open up all 10. Alright, Moltres EX as the first pull. Now let's open 10 more. And let's see what we get. Alright, Psyduck, Hitmonchan. Alright, Gloom, nice. Alright. Oh, Starmie EX, nice. 2 EXs in only 3 packs. Alright, a trainer card. Another trainer card. Nice, I already have this. Alright, nothing good. Oh, nice, alright, Poliwrath. Alright. Oh, nice. Nice, very nice. Okay. Alright, we got some good stuff. Now let's add them to the Pokédex. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.